So it's got the big prong, small prong, then it's got the one with the grounding plug, and it's got 3 of these. It's not a converter, it tells you with the sticker. In order to open it, you do use this big plug here, and it pops open. This is the Type G. It has the directions. Pretty straightforward, easy to follow. Directions are in English. Since I'm not yet on my vacation, I can't plug it in to try it, but I got these as backups. I have a family of 5 and we are going on a 10-day trip, so each person should be able to charge all their devices while we're away.